I can also press Control P, which is the same as up for previous, and Control N, which is the same as down for next. That's how I think of it in my head. This is super nice because I don't have to take my hands off the actual like keyboard. I don't have to move over to the arrow keys. I can keep my hand in the same space and just move around, which is super nice. So let's go ahead. Let's pull that command back up. And then some of the things you can do, these are called read line shortcuts. It's called read line. This is what Bash uses. Other programs use it too, like if you're using Node.js. If you were to open up Node.js, it's technically using read line here. So I could jump around the same thing if I said like console.log. I know this is a Bash course. Hi, I could press up and it brings up the previous command. I could press Control N, Control P, and it all works. It's because it's using read line. It's the same library that's going on for Bash. And by default, we are in the Emacs style mode, and this is what I've gotten pretty good at. So let's go ahead and pull back open that ls command. Get ready for this. Press the Alt key or the Super key or your Meta key, whatever that is. By default for me on my Mac, it's Option. If I hold the Option key, I can do Option B to jump backward and Option F to jump forward. So convenient. Absolutely so convenient. Cannot live without it. If I go between two words and do Option T, I can swap them. I can swap full words. So I'm doing B to go back, T to swap. How cool is that? It is super useful. It's awesome. If you use Control instead of Option, I can do B to go back one character and F to go forward one character. It's the same as right and left arrow, but you don't have to take your hands off of the actual keyboard and jump to little arrows to find them. Super useful, super awesome. Just like you had Alt T, I can do Control T, and I can swap two letters and move my cursor forward. Very confusing, very specific, very niche when you would need it, but sometimes it's super useful. If you have like a, all right, let's say I were to have sudo, which you can see I messed up sudo there. Now on my system, this would work because I have the alias. Put the cursor on the D, hit Control T. Now we have sudo. So it's very situational, but it is kind of useful to know about.